Do you like the rocking chair, Sonny?
Of course he does. Yeah, sharing it.
This guy's so spoiled. You rocking him? Kieran, you rocking him?
Yeah.
You want to sing to him? Sing Rockabye Sonny? Oh, now he's leaving. Are you leaving? Is it too rough for you? You're so silly.
He's putting his tail on my lap.
You like rocking? Good son. Well, at least they're sharing.
Sonny loves to share.
Not too rough.
He's putting his big feet on my
I think he needs a good nap. Okay, say bye.